Okay, as I read this, I want you to think about what are the things that you have to use to identify the main idea. New Disney Group gives filmmakers special technology for movies. The caption of the picture says, "A scene from a Disney virtual reality experience." Walt Disney Studios' old animation building is changing. Once upon a time, it was where artists drew movies by hand. Dumbo and Cinderella were made there. Today, a 15-person team is using the building in a different way. They are imagining new ways of making movies. Their lab is in Burbank, California. It is just a short walk from Walt Disney's old office. It is full of furniture that seems like it came from an older time. It does not have pencils and light tables like old animation studios, though. Instead, visitors find new technology. The lab is full of drones and digital projectors. A drone looks like a small handheld aircraft. It is remote controlled. Often drones have cameras. They can fly over areas that humans cannot reach easily. Okay, the next heading says Studio Labs. And I notice a picture down here. And the picture is of some of the workers, and the drone is on the counter. Okay. The space is called Studio Lab. Its purpose is to come up with new ideas to help filmmakers use technology. Some of its ideas are working already. They are being used to make new movies. The team helped with the animated film Ralph Breaks the Internet. They also helped with the upcoming superhero movie Captain Marvel. Ben Harvey is a leader of Disney's Technology Innovation Group. He said Studio Lab has a plan. It wants to give filmmakers superpowers through technology, he said. Testing tech on Ralph is the next heading. Ralph Breaks the Internet is a new movie. It's the follow-up to Wreck-It Ralph. The new movie was a perfect chance for the lab to test new technology. The movie was shown at El Capitan Theater in Hollywood. The team made colorful movie light pictures. They were made special for El Capitan Theater. The pictures were shown on the walls using a projector. Another Studio Lab's jobs was to help create a free game. It was called Pancake Milkshake. The game is based on a popular clip from Ralph Breaks the Internet. In the clip, Ralph feeds pancakes to a bunny. He feeds milkshakes to a kitty. Drone technology helps Captain Marvel. Studio Lab also wants to make filmmaking easier. It developed an iPad app for filmmakers. It uses drones to look at places they might want to film. It recreates the places on the screen. One of these drones helped with Captain Marvel. The drone took pictures of an old, unused mall. The filmmaker looked at the pictures, then they approved filming at the mall. Finding everyday uses. Some of the lab's ideas are still being tested. Harvey thinks more of the lab's ideas will find everyday use, though. Harvey said he is happy whenever new ideas get out of the lab and into the real world. That's what I live for, he said. Okay, now go back through and use your clues from the text. So the title, the heading, the pictures, repeated words, and topic sentences to identify the main idea. Good luck.